Hola, chicas. So I just wanted to get you. I had a look through your letters, got most of them corrected. If you haven't, please send them in to me. Most of them were of a very good standard. I've just gone back into the textbook for a little bit because I want to just try and finish off a few more little topics on this, okay? So, first thing I want you to do is on página 235, page 235, okay? And this is just a little comprehension on an annual proximo next year, okay? So, what I want you to do is I want you to try this comprehension. I'm not going to give you any vocab this time. I want you just to go through it, give it your best shot, and see how you get on with it, okay? I'm just going to run through the questions with you. Just going to zoom out a wee bit. I'm going to run through the questions with you, but I want you to try the comprehension yourself and see how you get on with it, okay? So this is all about next year, plans, etc. Favorite subjects, what she likes, what she doesn't like, okay? Just two little tips. La Informática is computers, okay? Me encanta la informática. I love computers, okay? And here, diseñadora is a diseñadora de moda is a fashion designer, okay? So different people are saying different things here, okay? So just to start you off, sorry, and these are three different people here. One person, two person, three person, okay? So just what I want you to do here is I want you to just read through these, read through these three people, okay? So there's three different people, and all I want you to do is maybe write a little summary beside what each person wants to do and why, like 2 sentences. What this person wants to do, what that person wants to do, what this person wants to do, and like just a little summary of what they want to do. So read through it and figure out what they're going to do, why they're going to do it, and just a little summary. So maybe 2 or 3 sentence summary in English, 2 3 sentence summary in English, 2 3 sentence summary in English. Okay, so that's página 235, so page 235. Okay, so that's the first thing I want you to do. Just read through that, see how you get on with it. Okay. Perfect. So just as I was saying there, just a little 3 sentence summary of what each person's going through it, and I'll have a run through it with you tomorrow. What else I want you to do? So after that, there, when you skip ahead a couple of pages, and we're just going to go to página 240, page 240. Okay, and what I want you to try is this listing here. I have the listings downloaded, so I'll attach them on. So I want you to try these listings here. So when did Benjamin de la Mata buy his car? What date the event occurred? What did the police find in the car? How long did Benjamin de la Mata spend in prison? And what did we learn about his family? So just try those couple of questions as well, and I'll go through the corrections with you tomorrow as well. So the two things I want you to do is read through the comprehension. Just summarize there's 3 paragraphs. Summarize what each person says they want to do after school, why they want to do it. Just 2 or 3 sentence summary in English, okay? I'm not giving you any vocab. Just want to see how we get on with it. And the third thing then is I want you to try the listing here on Benjamin de la Mata. So try these couple listens. What did the event occur? When did the police find his car? How long did he spend in prison? So remember, prison in Spanish is cárcel. In la cárcel, in la prison. And what did we learn about his family? Is that okay? So, muchas gracias, chicas.